Dear students, in this video we will learn how to insert one geometric mean between two given numbers. If a and b are two given numbers and we are asked to find a geometric mean that will be inserted between a and b. The formula to find the geometric mean between a and b is geometric mean is equal to plus minus square root of a multiplied by b. Under the square root, a and b are multiplied. So when we are taking the square root, we are getting two answers, one with plus sign and the other with minus sign. Both are correct. So we can take either with positive or with negative. How to develop this formula? Let G be the geometric mean which we will insert between A and B, which can be inserted between A and B. So then this G is inserted between A and B. This is the geometric mean inserted between A and B. Then this is a sequence, a geometric sequence. And as we know, in geometric sequence, this is the first term, this one is second, and this one is third. So this is a geometric sequence of three terms. And we know that if we divide the second term by first term, so we are getting a common ratio. Similarly, if we are dividing third term by second term, again, this is the third term and this one is the second term. So again, we are getting the same ratio. This R and this R. These two are same. So the answer of R in both the cases are same. So this answer and this answer are same. So this means G over G, which give G over A, which gives R, and this division which gives R, B over G, and this division also gives R. So this means G over A is equal to B over G, and from this G, if we cross multiply these two, then G multiplied by G is G square is equal to, and A and B are multiplied, so AB. Then take the square root and we are getting this formula. So this is the formula to find one geometric mean which is inserted between A and B. So this is the formula. So note this formula and we will use it in the coming examples. First example is find the geometric mean between 2 and 8. So here A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 8. Then find the geometric mean G. The formula for G is square root A multiplied by B. This means 2 multiplied by 8, which is 16, and take the square root. So 16 square root mean 4, but we will take plus and minus both. So G, that is geometric mean, is either 4 or geometric mean is minus 4. Both are correct. So if we are taking this 4, so then the sequence will be A, geometric mean B. So A is 2, geometric mean 4, and B is 8. So this is a geometric sequence, and the R is now 4 divided by 2, which is 2, and also 8 divided by 4, which is 2. So 2 and 2, these are same, so R is 2. This should be same. This answer should be same with this answer. So if these two are same, then this sequence is a geometric sequence. So now if we insert this geometric mean 4 between 2 and 8, so this becomes a geometric sequence. So this is first geometric mean. Now this geometric mean, if we are inserting this geometric mean between A and B, which are 2 and 8. So this is a geometric sequence. How? Because R can be found how? By dividing minus 4 divided by 2. So we are getting minus 2, and then 8 divided by minus 4. So again we are getting minus 2. So in this case R is minus 2. So if we multiply minus 2 with the first, we are getting the second, and if we multiply minus 2 with the second, we are getting the third term. Similarly, in this case, R is 2. So if we multiply 2 with the first number the first term, we are getting the second term. And if we multiply 2 with the second term, we are getting the third term. Now we are Doing another example, find one geometric mean between 27 and 3. So this is A and this is B, and we are finding geometric means. A is equal to 27 and B is equal to 3, and geometric mean is to be found. Geometric mean is equal to plus minus square root 27 multiply 3. So geometric mean is equal to plus minus, and the answer is 81, and take the square root, so we are getting plus minus 9. So geometric mean is either 9 or minus 9. So we can put and we can check the first and then the second. So 27, this is A, and the geometric mean is 9. We are getting this one now. This is the geometric mean, and then 3. So now look at this. If we are multiplying 1 by 3 with the first term, we are getting the second term, and if we multiply 1 by 3 with the second term, we are getting the third term. So this is no doubt a geometric sequence for this geometric mean, and geometric mean becomes the second term of this sequence. Now if we are taking now geometric mean is minus 9, then A, geometric mean, and B. So 27 minus 9 and 3. So if we multiply the first term with minus 1 by 3, we are getting second term, and again if we multiply minus 1 by 3 with the second term, we are getting the third term. In this case R is plus 1 by 3, and in the second case R is minus 1 by 3. So these are the two geometric means. So we are finding basically one geometric mean, but that may be positive and may be negative. But one point is important over here. A and B, which are given, will either be positive both, or both will be negative. It is not possible if we are taking A negative and B positive, or A positive and B negative. In that case, geometric mean cannot be calculated. For example, okay, we are taking A and B now negative, both negative. So this is correct. So you can take both A and B positive, both A and B negative. But it is not possible that you will take one positive and second negative, or first negative and second positive. So geometric mean, first A is given minus 8 and B is minus 32. So geometric mean is equal to plus minus 8 multiply minus 32. So this would be 256 and square root. Now plus minus, what is the square root of 256? That is 16. You can calculate it easily. So okay, if we divide this with 2, then what will be the next? 2, 1, 2 and 8. Then 2, and again divide it with 2, then 6 and 4. Again divide this with 2, and we will get 3 and 2. Again divide this with 2, then 16. So okay, we multiply this side, this is also 16. So 16 multiplies 16. So this is a pair of 16, and that's why this is 16 multiplies 16 is 16 square, and 16 square root is 16. So the geometric mean is either plus 16 or geometric mean is minus 16. So you can check it by inserting it between A and B. So A, G and B. A is minus 8 and B is minus 32, and the geometric mean is 16. So you can well imagine what can be multiplied to get the second term from the first term. So multiply this with minus 2 and we are getting 16. Then again multiply the second term with minus 2 and we will be getting the third term, which is B. So this geometric mean is inserted between A and B, and this whole thing becomes a geometric sequence. Now put or insert the second geometric mean between A and B. So minus 8, minus 16 and minus 32. If we multiply the first term with 2, we are getting minus 16. Now again, if we multiply the same 2 with the second term, we are getting the third term. So this means, this is again, if we insert the second, the geometric mean with the minus sign between A and B, again, this becomes a geometric sequence, and R is, in this case, is 2, and R in this case is minus 2. We end this video on this moment, and to remind you, if you didn't subscribe this channel till now, so subscribe it so that you get the coming video on time. Thank you.